let's double click on Sharding Capital. How long have you guys been there? When did you start the fund? What actually motivated you to start Sharding Capital?
In my angel investment journey, I had quite a few nice exits, like 100x, 50x, or like even higher.
Right.
But like as an angel, you don't get to write big check size. You can write like 10K, 20K, like maximum 50K. That's
Right.
it. But I help projects so much, so I think it makes sense to write a bigger check size and make sure the efforts it's worth the efforts. And also to build a brand and network strength is the key differentiator in my opinion. So when you have a brand, you get to do more things like hosting events,
Right.
hosting demo days,
Right.
writing like company blogs, similar like what Anderson Holowitz did, right? They
Right.
have their marketing department, they have their BD development. They have basically they're wearing all sorts of hats for the founders, right? So by building a fund, Sharding Capital, I'm able to really leverage my resources and network and do more for the portfolio companies.
Right.
Yeah.
And so let's say a portfolio company is working with Sharding Capital, right? What can they expect out of the fund other than like obviously great check sizes and the KOL network? Like how else do you guys add value?
So apart from the capital injection, because we invest in very early stage founders,
Right.
so we build blogs with them. For example, we will review their deck, provide feedbacks on, for example, how they structure the deck, their tokenomics, their business model, and that's on the fundamental side. And then on the pumpamental side, we're like give them advice on go-to-market strategy, what kind of KOLs you should work with, what kind of backers you want to bring on board,
Right.
like what kind of VCs you should talk with, what kind of KOLs you can engage in from early on. So their promotion for your project is more organic and convincing for their community. So we do very like on the ground support for them. Yeah.
And I love how at every point of our conversation, distribution is something that keeps coming back again. That's so important for an early stage startup to build the right kind of distribution. Otherwise, and that is not possible just by building a good product, right? You need to have good marketing in place, right? And I think you help a lot of your portfolio companies do that by also organizing like demo days,
Right.
Do you want to talk more about like Sharding Capital demo days? I've been to a few of them now personally. I really like them, but
yeah, as I said, I think network strength is the key differentiator.
Right.
So with Sharding Capital, I am able to do quite some activities like Shard Dubai Demo Day and also networking mixers.
Right.
So that's really to help these early stage founders to present in front of a quality crowd, like VC audience, exchange audience, or active angels, and get like helpful feedback. And then another thing I do besides VC is that I actually run a marketing firm that helps like project doing go-to-market strategy, especially in Asian and Middle Eastern regions.
If there's a founder who wants to get in touch with Sharding Capital, what is the best way to reach out to you guys?
Yeah, we do receive a lot of inbounds, so we'll miss them sometimes. But try to DM me on Chan on Twitter, or get introed by people who know us.
Right.
Yeah, so it's easier for us to attend to those groups or DMs.